What's up guys, hope you're doing well. Today we'll have another look into the Dogecoin price chart because we have some important changes right here regarding the price target that I have mentioned in the last video. Also we want to have a look into the next support and resistance levels we are currently looking at. So let's have a look right here. Maybe you remember that in the last video I have showed you this support area right here, this rectangle, which we are currently in, but also you can see in the middle there is the red line, there is the support level, and that was the support level that we do not want it to see get broken, because this support level right here is the invalidation point of this price target right here. As you can see, we had daily candle closes below this level, and just from the balance of probability, that means that this price target right now is invalidated. That is why I will take that off the chart right here. We will also delete the invalidation level right here. And now let's have a look at what are we left with. So first of all, you can see right here we have the downward trend, and right now we have made a perfect retest of the lower support zone, which was also exactly the downward trend support that we have right here. We made a little bounce, looks like almost a retest of the upper support zone right here, and right now we are reversing back to the downside. And I have mentioned it in several other videos already that in BTC we are probably seeing something similar, because we also had a breakout right here. Right now we did the retest of the breakout level, which was the old all-time high, and right now because we done also a retest right here of the resistance level and got rejected, that we potentially have the chance to do a double bottoming formation. And in Dogecoin we may see something similar, so that we also get a double bottoming formation, and then potentially we are good to go. But right now let's have a look first into the next downside targets, because you know that altcoins tend to correct more than Bitcoin. And then I would have a look into this support level right here. So this would be the next support level in case we break here to the downside. But also don't forget that we still have the support from the trend line right here. So this is potentially also something we are looking at, maybe with a wick. The ideal scenario is that we want to see a double bottoming formation, that we don't want to see daily candle closes below this level right here of 18.883. So that is something that it would be better if we do not see this. And then what we want to see is, let me show you this, because what we currently have seen is a very nice downward trend. Forget about the last one right here. So this is basically here, downward move, pullback, lower low, pullback. And right now it would be very good if we see this support level gets hold, and then what we want to see is a break of structure. And we do get a break of structure if we move back to the upside and break this high right here. Just to be on the safe side, I would like to see that we are leaving this support area right here and having a daily candle close above this rectangle. This is the first bullish confirmation for me, and that is the first bullish confirmation that I'm waiting for to the downside right now. As we don't have any active price targets to the upside, there is no invalidation point of any other price targets. So that is why I'm looking out for the double bottoming formation, for the trend line level, and then also for this level. That are the next downside targets. As I said, right now it looks like we are doing the double bottoming formation, maybe do a wick to the trend line, and then we are moving higher, and then we are waiting for this confirmation right here with the break of structure. And then it gets interesting, because we then have a lot of resistance levels right here. But what we do want to see then is, of course, we want to see the price going back to the upside. And if we are breaking this high right here, then you know what that means, because then we have another rectangle that we can put on top right here, and then we get our new price target. But right now, we first of all want to see that the current support level holds, so that we are potentially seeing here a double bottoming formation. And then what we are looking for is, of course, strength in the market. If Bitcoin breaks below the support level, then obviously altcoins likely will follow. That is why I've also mentioned the lower support levels. But in case Bitcoin does just a double bottoming formation, I think we will also see something similar in Dogecoin. And then we are waiting here for the break of structure. And if there should be any changes to the upside, to the downside, if we should break any important support or resistance level, you know that I will upload another video. So make sure to subscribe to this channel so you won't miss this. Also, if you have any questions or any other cryptos you want me to have a look at, feel free to post it down in the comments. That's it for this video. See you in the next one. Bye bye.